I'm Mel and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I am Melanie Kate, but most people call me Mel, so you can call me whatever you want, Mel or Melanie, I don't mind. But if you're new, I just wanted to say welcome, and please push that subscribe button and the notification bell, because I'm not going to bombard you with videos every day. I only post Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays, and then the occasional bonus one like a collab or something like that. But anyway, I hope you enjoy. Today I am here to show you some home decor basically. If you didn't know, I am training in floristry. I do night school for floristry, and so this is for my mum for Mother's Day, which would have been yesterday for me. No, for you it would have been yesterday, but that's in the UK anyway. So right now, before we get on with the video, I just want to say, if you hear a pudding, that is because I am working from home at the moment, and I thought I better film this quick before things go crazy. And we've got our virtual drinks at 3 o'clock, so that's in 53 minutes. So for this is for my mum for Mother's Day. She does floristry with me, if you didn't know that. So I brought her this frame, which is what I wanted, which is a clear frame. You know, like the whole waist clear, if you put the picture in the middle. I got it from Boots. I only paid £12. Don't ask me why it says 15 on it, but I'm going to take it all apart now anyway, because I'm going to put that in. Then I used some flowers that I brought for myself, and well, I brought them for myself to use and look pretty in my flat, but also because I wanted to make this for my mum. I'm just going to get some scissors out. I bought them for me first, and then I wanted to do, I saw this idea and thought, yes, lovely. So I'm going to open this and then I'll show you the flowers. Step number 1 is to get your flowers out. So my flowers are all in this book, which I'll show you in a minute, but I've just put all of this on top and they're in like my airing cupboard, so that's why. So I'll just take these all out now and we'll get the flowers out, but you need to get them. I've pressed them for about 3 weeks. And I'll just go through the process of what you do, but they're done now to go into the frame. Okay, so I've took the frame apart. So I have got the bottom bit that would, this is what would go, this bit would be up against the wall, but this bit would be like on show. But I'm just going to take this bit off because I was going to do something with it, but I mean, so you might need to wash the glass to get the sticky bits off. So, right, well, I'll wash that bit of it. This bit's fine. So move in your books. Obviously you can take all these off and put them back where you got them from. Right, if you didn't know how to press flowers, you need to press them a day or 2 before they look like they're gonna die. And then you press them for a week or 2. Well, about up to a month I'd say is good. And I put these in the airing cupboard because it was warm, and I've got daffodils in here, but you can do it and just leave it anywhere. You don't have to put it into the airing cupboard if you haven't got one. But in here I've got a gerber daisy, and then I've got some daffodils, and I've got another flower. But what you need to do is just get some kitchen cloth. Let me open it up. You get some kitchen cloth. So I've got 2 here, like 1, 2. You put the flowers in when they are alive, like healthy, and then you put the next, like it in the page and shut it. That's why I had all the books on top of it, so it was heavier to press them. And you can do as many pages as you want. So obviously they're my daffodils. Then towards the back, I've put the heavier flower at the back of the book to get more like pressure on it. This I'm not sure if I'm going to use because it's going a bit funny coloured, but that is what the purple flower was. But I like that somehow. So take that out. So again, that's all I've done is put each page. I've put in 2 bits of kitchen roll, and then I've just put it in my book. This is like blank pages, which doesn't matter. Then you fold it up, put it in the airing cupboard with them all on top of it. Right, use the bit of paper, the bit that goes on the back of the frame. Take your flowers. Right, now my Gerbera daisy's falling apart. We are going to flip it over. Look how beautiful that is on its own. And I'm going to just put my like petals back in that have fallen out. Not that one that I just broke. That's why you have to be super gentle with stuff. Okay, I just love that on its own. Isn't that how beautiful that is? Wow. Okay, then obviously we're doing the same thing. Just play around with your pressed flowers to see what you want to put where before gluing them. Obviously I've pressed more than I actually use, but that is because I wanted a variety. I think it's really nice on it like that even, but I wanted to put that in to get the purple, but I've worked out that I should have put that down first. Right, after a lot of playing around, I was going to use daffodils, I was going to use all sorts. I'm not. I'm just going to use the Gerbera daisy, which you have to be super careful with. Then this is the fun part, is you can put everything in, you can put one thing in, whatever you want. I mean, they do look lovely. That shows you as well, you can press other flowers, but this daisy has turned out beautifully. That we're going to put it in the frame. So that's what it will look like on that bit of glass, but I am going to try it again. Right, so now you've got to put this bit of glass into the frame, which I'll do, and I'll be back. Okay, there is the final product. Handy tip is that if any of the petals fall out, use one of the other sticks that I had, and I just went down the gap and pushed it in. This one here is falling out a little bit, but that should be fine. I'm just seeing if there's any other gaps that I really like. But that, how beautiful that is, just standing on its own. I can't wait to do more for when I move as well, because I just think it is beautiful. This was a pink Gerbera daisy, before I just tell you that one, it's turned into purple. And there is the finished product. How beautiful is that? I can't wait to see it up on the wall or wherever my mum wants to hang it. But it's so pretty. Or obviously you could write a message in there as well, like to Mum, Happy Mother's Day, or I love you, or whatever. In fact, I could still do that on the front of the glass with like a silver pen, but I actually like it as it is. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Have you pressed flowers before? If so, what flower is the best that you've pressed? So far, I'd say the Gerbera daisy has been the best, though the daffodils look beautiful. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye!